And the winner of the 3D printer is... Okay, hold on. Before we find out the winner, we need to go way back and understand how we got here.
Say, George, did you see in the newspaper that man that put out that puzzle? Rumor has it, whoever gets it right is getting himself a brand new light bulb. I'm gonna submit my answer right now.
Okay, that was a little too far back.
Let's check out this awesome book, Computer Engineering for Babies. There's a wire.
All right, we're getting closer.
All right, I got this new cool optics kit.
Almost there, a little further.
What's up, puzzle people? We're back with a pop quiz here. Puzzle of Puzzles challenge. Here we go. Solve the puzzle, submit your answer in the form in the description, and you could win a 3D printer.
Ah, there we go. That's the one we were looking for. Let's go find out the correct answer. All right, so we start with an input of 61, which we know in binary is 111101. So 111101. It's hard to draw with this pen. All right, anyways. So we have our XOR gate here. This will actually not turn on. This is an exclusive OR, meaning one or the other has to turn on. So there is no laser coming out of here. We do, however, have a laser coming in here. Some people asked, what are these T's? It was just something I kind of came up with. I hope that you assumed that it was a splitter. So essentially takes the input and splits into two here. And so we got here, reflecting up, and boom. And then over here and down. And this one goes all over the place. And we got into an OR gate. Now we can go ahead and know that this output is on because this is an OR gate. Even if the other one's on, it'll still be outputting. And that comes into another splitter. So here, down, and up. All right, look at that. Okay, excellent. We got this guy coming up, over, again into an XOR gate. We will wait and see if the other input is turned on. This does not output anything. And this comes up, over, into the logical NOT. All right, so that's it for the lasers. A couple other things we need to look at. And some people pointed out that this is technically undefined. They're sort of right, but for all purposes of what I was thinking, I was assuming that this would be off. And so the logical NOT would invert this to be on. So we have a 1, 1, or 1, 0, 0, 1. All right, let's look at the second receiver. We have an input on here, but it's going to be off here. And we also have an input here. So we know that this is not going to be outputting anything. So this is a 0. Again, like the situation over here, we have a off, on. So maybe we'll work with X's, checks, but then ultimately off here, 0, 0. And then we have an output here. These are going to be both ones because of this is exclusive OR, XOR. And let's look at our last one. We got nothing here. This guy's on. There we have it. Now, this is where a lot of people messed up. You had to have seen some of the old videos where we learned that these receivers were a special part of the puzzle. And what you actually have to do is you have to flip the binary to get the decimal value. So rather than this being, although this one's the same, but 1001, it's 1001. So this one's the same no matter which way you look at it. So let's do that. So 1, 2, 4, 8. So 1 plus 8 is 9. And now here, this is different. So if we didn't flip it, this would be 3. But you have to flip it. So 1, 2, 4, 8. So 4 plus 8 is 12. And then the last one, 1, 2, 4, 8. So 2 plus 8 is And if we pull up our calculator here, 9 times 12 plus 10, you get 118. So, congratulations to you, to those of you that got 118. If you got, I think it was like 32, you were so close. You just needed to flip all the receivers. So hopefully next time you can get it right. Let's go figure out who won this 3D printer. A while back, I said that we were going to start the puzzle leaderboard when we got to 150 subscribers. And I was not really expecting to get that many for like a year at least. And so it's been really cool to see the channel grow in a way that I never expected. But that also made me think about, okay, I got to start this leaderboard. So finally, we have our puzzle leaderboard. So without further ado, let's check out the top 5 and let's figure out who is winning this 3D printer. In 5th place, we have Chinmaya Nathani. In 4th place, we have Tom Deckard. 3rd place, we have Joe Harper. 2nd place, we have David G. And finally, 1st place, by luck of the draw, and the winner of the 3D printer is Eliel Santo. Congratulations to those of you that are tied in 1st place. I'm sorry, I can't afford to get you all 3D printers, and so Eliel was randomly selected, but the rest of you, I will be sending you either a Computer Engineering for Babies book or a laser and lens kit. So, thank you all for doing this. I hope you enjoyed the first PoP quiz. Subscribe for more if you aren't subscribed, and until the next video, go figure. What is up, puzzlers? If you have stayed around this long, you get a little behind-the-scenes footage here, a little Easter egg for you. So we have this old-school telegraph machine, and I have ideas on doing a project with this for the channel where we use this with some circuit boards on the bottom, and an Arduino, maybe Raspberry Pi, I haven't decided yet. But doing something where I can actually, do some Morse code and maybe it sends out a tweet or a text or something. I haven't figured out all the details yet. But yeah, a little Easter egg since we just filmed the little fun video of, telling George about the puzzle. So, cool. Thanks for sticking around. Go figure.